Hey there, and welcome to this video about how to generate passive income using AI. AI, or artificial intelligence, is revolutionizing the way we live and work. One of the areas where AI can have a huge impact is in generating passive income. Passive income is income that you earn without actively working for it. It's the dream of many people who want to achieve financial freedom. So, how can you use AI to generate passive income? Here are a few ways. AI-powered investing. AI can help you make smarter investment decisions by analyzing vast amounts of data and identifying patterns that humans might miss. For example, AI can analyze market trends, news articles, and social media sentiment to predict which stocks are likely to perform well in the future. By investing in these stocks, you can earn passive income through dividends and capital gains. AI-powered content creation. If you have a blog or a YouTube channel, you can use AI-powered tools to create content automatically. For example, you can use AI to generate blog post outlines, write product descriptions, or even create videos. By automating some of the content creation process, you can free up more time to focus on other income-generating activities. AI-powered advertising. If you run an online business, you can use AI to optimize your advertising campaigns. AI can help you identify which ads are most effective at driving traffic and sales, and then automatically adjust your ad targeting and bidding to maximize your return on investment. By using AI-powered advertising, you can generate passive income from your online business without having to constantly monitor and adjust your ads. These are just a few examples of how you can use AI to generate passive income. Of course, it's important to remember that AI is not a magic solution that will automatically generate income for you. You still need to put in the work to identify opportunities and implement AI-powered solutions. But by leveraging AI, you can potentially generate more income with less effort and achieve financial freedom faster. So, there you have it, some ways to use AI to generate passive income. If you have any other ideas or tips, feel free to share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one.